Why do so many creators stall on their first article? Because they overthink it. Here's a simple AI-powered sprint to publishing. Step 1. Pick a clear topic. Write a one-sentence angle. Step 2. Ask an AI to draft a short outline. Suggested titles. Intro paragraph. 3 main points. Step 3. Have the AI expand each point into paragraphs. Edit for your voice. Keep it clear and conversational. Strip fluff. Keep sentences short. Step 4. Add a strong, specific headline. Write an SEO-friendly meta description. Tidy the slug and tags. Aim for 600 to 900 words. Favor active voice. Step 5. Publish on your platform. Hit share. Monitor feedback. Then iterate. That's it. Idea to live in under an hour. Link it on your socials and keep improving. Try it today. Publish your first article with AI.